Well, this will have to do for now. It's as good as I could get it, but it is a little bit of an improvement. Now let's go to the airport. Okay, so we are on our way to Sacramento, California, and we'll be spending the night there, and we'll leave out late tomorrow night, so hopefully I'll get a chance to find something local to eat and keto it up a little bit, so I'll keep you posted. Bye-bye. Well, good evening, everyone. I made it here to Sacramento, and I am in my room. That's the city behind me. And it was a great day, long day. We did 3 legs today. We did that Nashville turn from Dallas, and then we came out here to Sacramento. So I had leftovers from last night, which was the hot dog casserole, also put out by Papa G. And I will link that in the description down below. And then I also brought some, I made meatloaf, maybe a month or so ago. Of course, it's been in the freezer. So I've got meatloaf and my cauliflower mashed potatoes and green beans. So I'll be having that. I also brought eggs with cheese and sausage, and I'll be eating that in the morning for breakfast with my coffee. So I hope everybody has a great night, and I will give you a report tomorrow. I'm Jason, the Keto Traveler 94, wishing everybody a good night. Bye-bye. All right, so we just left Old Town Sacramento. We're on our way back to the hotel. We still have a little bit of a walk to go, but we'll make it in time. Gonna take a quick nap, and our pickup time is late tonight because we're working that red eye from Sacramento back to Dallas. I'll check in with you all a little bit later. Bye-bye. Hello and good evening, everyone. Yes, evening, because it's about 10:45 at night, actually. And tonight I am going to be working the red eye back to Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas from Sacramento. It's been a great trip, had a wonderful layover. For those of you that don't know, my brother is a flight attendant, and we buddy bid and we fly a lot of our trips together. So we spent a great day here in Sacramento. We went to the Capitol, and then we walked down to Old Town Sacramento, where we ate and had a great time. Kept everything keto. Now that all the fun is over with, it's time to head for the house. So we're gonna get to the airport, get on the plane, and work back to Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas. Have a good night, everybody. We'll talk to you later. I'm Jason, the Keto Traveler 94. Bye-bye. And that's a wrap. I'm going to go to bed now. Bye.